TRIO program is for first-generation low-income students. We take them on trips, we take them on visits. Sometimes they might not have someone to take them to a college campus, or they might not understand what to ask for, what to look for. So what we do is bring that experience to them. As you can see, we've been to Wisconsin, we've been to Michigan, we've been to all the state schools, but it's all about exposure and getting them prepared for the next level.
I feel like with that worksheet you gave us, it kind of puts it up there because I'm like a visual person. So with time management, I think I'm good on there now.
Right.
It was good, very helpful,
Okay.
and I think I can do it. I already started ignoring calls.
It made me feel blind on how much time I'm actually wasting.
Excellent.
Time management, it helped me out a lot. It gave me some tips that I really could use, you know, to better my college career and be a better person. Be more planned and organized.
College readiness, college exposure, TRIO works.